सो हेलो ऑल। तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं कि कैसे हम लोग अपने प्रोजेक्ट को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे किसी के भी सामने। फॉर एग्जांपल जो मैंने पिछले क्लास में बनाया था, ओके, तो उसी प्रोजेक्ट को मैंने यहाँ पे आपको प्रेजेंट किया है। ओके, एंड हमने क्या किया, कुछ चीज़ें भी ऐड ऑन की है। जैसे अगर थोड़ा सा ये बटन सही नहीं लग रहा तो मैं इनको थोड़ा सा सही कर रहा हूँ, स्लाइसर्स। ओके, एंड देन आई विल मूव दिस सेंटर्ड। ओके, so this is a video for the storytelling or project explanations on any mock interview, mock test. Okay, so I have created one sample for you. So for example, this is a sample. Okay, so how can you explain? So first of all, you just open your project. Okay, and after that you have just to go with your explanations part. Okay, so this you memorize. Okay, so how you can think. Okay, for example, I will give you a such a demo type. Okay, so I will explain. So no. Okay, so hello all. So thank you for giving this opportunity. So my project on the sales dashboard database on the superstore sales. Okay, so superstore is a big mart like shop where we can use to purchase daily items. Okay, and the problem statement, the company management team struggled to analyze the sales and profit trends with the static reports, and the goal was to create a dynamic or visual dashboard in Excel so they communicate with easily to business, okay, business persons who can invest money on this store. Okay, and for the daily reports for the managers and the owner, so they can take any strategic decisions for the further expense or further work. Okay, so I have collect the data from the different data source, like we have using a Kaggle to download this data sets. Okay, and we have approx 10K data sets. Okay, and there is including 4 years of data sets, like we have 2014, 15, 16, 17. Okay, and there is a key field like order date, ship date, reasons, categories, subcategories, sales, profit, and discount profit. That's okay. So first of all, a step for the data, we just clean the data. In cleaning we have to follow the steps like remove duplicates, then we can fix the data types, and we can check the null values and handle the null values, and create new columns if it is needed. For example, we have yearly, monthly, profit margin we can create. And after that we have using creating this dashboard for the management purpose, and which team they have using this dashboard. So the my main target audience for this dashboard is for sales managers, okay, and the executive. Why? Because they monitor sales and profit trends over the time. Okay, and identify the high profits regions and the category, and they detect the making areas. Okay, so they can improve and take a data driven decisions. Okay, and what are the key features of this my dashboard? So I add multiple KPI sections like sales amount, profit, quantity, and profit. Okay, and also we add some visuals like category wise sales, segment wise sales, top performing items, and monthly trends. Okay, so after that we have using the interactive elements like slicers, dynamic titles. Okay, and we add buttons to get a one page to another page, multi-page dashboarding. Okay, we have also using a conditional formatting. Okay, so this is our all these things, and we can create all these things with the help of Excel, and we have using in Excel Power Pivot, Power Charts, and Slicer, and dynamic formulas. Okay, and our project limitations is this is cover the sales and profit analysis for the superstore. So they have we have a limited data from the 2014 to 18. So based on the historical data we can perform only the analysis part, not we can get a proper forecasting. Why? Because the this is a current year, we have a 2025, but so we have a gap of multiple years, so that's we cannot use forecasting there. Also, manual referencing is required if no data is added. Okay, so manual referencing, it's taking a time when we have used the dashboard. Okay, and the dashboard speed decrease slightly with the very large data sets. Okay, so sometimes we have a multiple data sets, so we can slow down this point. Okay, and what are the key insight and outcomes we have found? So we have found in this dashboard, the office supplies the highest profit margin and west regions contributing the most of the our sales. And we have taking, there is our furniture category, they have more and more loss, so we can take more focus on that part. Okay, and now it's helped management to focus on the marketing, so on the profitable of subcategories. Okay, so they can grow those market more and more. Okay, so future enhancement, what we have to do, so we can add a automatic data refresh with the help of Power Query. Also we can add a forecasting sheet with the help of multiple data sets, so we can predict what will be the next month outcomes. Okay, and we can also advancement with the automations, like we can create a report, summary report with the help of micros. Okay, so that's all from my side, sir, so thank you. Okay, so this is a proper project explanations part, so it's taking to 5 minutes and this is enough. Okay, you can see there is a 6 minute taking time. Okay, and when you have explained like this now, so someone's know ki ha, you have knowledge of the business purpose. Okay, so you can easily these things. After recording this video, you can just, I will share over one form. Okay, on those form you can also record your video, 5 minute videos and send me. Okay, so I will check and give you a feedback how can improve that part. Okay, so thank, in this video we have only how to explain the project, so thank you. And next video we can it, take introduce yourself questions, which is a must answerable questions. Okay, so thank you.